In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can generate an AI image using the Flux One AI model in Perplexity. Now, Perplexity has multiple AI models for generating an image. You could be using DALL-E 3, you can use Playground, and of course, you can also use Flux.1, which I believe is the best AI model when it comes to image generation. So, for example, here I do have a picture of a woman holding a avocado, and this is generated by DALL-E 3. This is not Flux. So I'm going to show you how you can set the settings so every time you are creating a picture in Perplexity, it is going to be using the Flux model. Now let's go to the settings page right here. Okay, now in the account section, you want to scroll down and stop right there. In the Perplexity Pro section, again, this is a feature that is only available if you are using the Pro subscription. You will see that there is image generation model. You want to switch from DALL-E 3 or from Playground to Flux.1. So this is perhaps the best model at the moment, and we want to use that to generate the same picture. Now, I'm going to be using the same prompt again to generate the picture of the woman, professional photo of a woman holding an avocado. So I'm going to just paste the prompt right here. And by the way, I do recommend to use the auto mode. There is no need to use the Pro Search or reasoning model because those are for different settings or different purposes. And also I do recommend to disable the web, academic, and social. We are using the image generation. There is no need to access the internet or reading forums. It is absolutely not necessary. And after that, you just need to click the send button and just let Perplexity answer your query. Now we can ignore all of that because we just don't we want to create the image using AI. Now I'm going to just copy this prompt that I have created and then click generate image, and you can actually just select the style that you prefer, but I do recommend not using any of these options because when you do that, it is going to be using the prompting from this answer, which is probably not the best prompting. It's not meant to be an image prompting. So I do recommend to click generate image and then click this custom prompt icon. Okay, now I'm going to remove this. There is no need to use that, and I'm going to just paste the prompt that I have used for DALL-E 3. You can also specify the style, but in this case I'm going to ignore it and just click submit. Okay, it is still generating. We just need to wait, and it's usually going to take about 10 to 20 seconds, and there you go. So if you actually remember the previous picture, this is definitely a lot better, a lot more professional and realistic, because it is certainly showing you that there is a seed inside of the avocado fruit, and it is very, very good. So it's not like DALL-E 3. Flux is way better, and that's why it is the best AI image model at the moment. So anyway, that's how you can do it. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm probably going to make more tutorials about AI, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.